Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer. Today I've got this Sony dual cassette deck player and recorder to show you. The model number of it is TC-WR550Z. But before we get into it, did you know that the tape inside of a cassette is 1/8 of an inch thick? If you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel of it, you have your line input and output right here. The input is for recording and the output is for playback. To connect it, you'll just plug in your audio cable to the output, and if you're recording from another device, you can connect to the input as well. You can use this with just about any speaker, though I would recommend using something similar to what you see here for the best audio. So on the front panel of it, you have your power button right here. And then your direction mode right here, you can set it to just play one side once, or you can set it to keep playing non-stop, or just play each side one time. And then up here, you have your counter reset button, and then a memory button. And then you have the same options over here. You have a dual counter. You have a counter for each deck. And then there's RMS start, set, check, display, auto calibration, and high and normal speed dubbing. And then there's the fast forward button, rewind button, and it has the auto reverse function on both decks, so you can play side A and side B without needing to flip the tape. And then you have a stop button. And then you can set the Dolby NR filter. You can turn it off, on, or set it to on filter. Then you have your eject button right there. And then you can also adjust the B, C, and S setting right there. And then you have your deck B functions right here. You have fast forward, rewind, and then you have your auto reverse options. You can play it forwards or play it backwards. And then there's the stop button. And we'll go ahead and push the recording button. We'll set it to high speed. And then it'll start recording. So you can dub cassettes with this. You can easily make a copy of any cassette. And then down here you have pause, record, mute, and then your record button for recording from another source. And then you can adjust the record level right here if you want to make it not as loud or make it louder. And then over here you have fader and ARL. And then there's the phones jack right here for listening with headphones instead of using speakers for it. That's pretty much all there is for this Sony dual cassette player. If you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.